In this video, I will share with you top 5 best countertop dishwashers of 2024. So, let's start.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 5.
MIJIA Portable Smart Tabletop Dishwasher S1. MIJIA's Smart Tabletop Dishwasher S1 is a mini portable dishwasher ideal for countertops. With compact design, intelligent washing, and a drying feature, it's great for small kitchens, providing an efficient cleaning solution for small households. The advantages of this countertop dishwasher are portable and compact for easy placement, intelligent washing and drying capabilities, energy-efficient design. The disadvantages of this countertop dishwasher are limited to small dish loads, may not suit larger households.
At number 4.
Automatic countertop dishwasher with drying and disinfection. This automatic countertop dishwasher offers high-temperature washing, drying, and disinfection in a compact design. Easy to install and mobile, it's ideal for households looking for efficient dishwashing without needing a built-in unit. The advantages of this countertop dishwasher includes drying and disinfection features, portable and mobile for flexible placement, high-temperature washing for thorough cleaning. The disadvantages of this countertop dishwasher are limited to small loads, may require manual water input.
At number 3.
ITOP Mini Desktop Intelligent Dishwasher. The ITOP Automatic Mini Dishwasher is designed for desktop use, featuring high-temperature cleaning for thorough dish sanitation. Its intelligent features offer effortless, efficient dishwashing, ideal for small households or spaces with limited kitchen setup. The advantages of this countertop dishwasher are high-temperature cleaning for better hygiene, compact and convenient for small spaces, intelligent and user-friendly settings. The disadvantages of this countertop dishwasher are suitable for small households only, limited dish load capacity.
At number 2.
Intelligent Antivirus Desktop Dishwasher. This small desktop dishwasher is installation-free and includes drying, antivirus, and sterilizing functions. With intelligent features, it suits compact kitchens, ensuring a hygienic and thorough cleaning for dishes while being easy to set up and use. The advantages of this countertop dishwasher are easy to install on countertops, antivirus and sterilizing functions, intelligent dishwashing technology. The disadvantages of this countertop dishwasher are smaller load capacity, limited to countertop use.
At number 1.
Automatic Dishwasher Installation-Free. Compact and installation-free, this desktop dishwasher offers drying and sterilization features, designed to fit small kitchens. Its intelligent system provides effective dishwashing, high-temperature drying, and virus prevention, making it a convenient choice for modern households. The advantages of this countertop dishwasher are compact and space-saving design, high-temperature drying and sterilizing, intelligent cleaning settings. The disadvantages of this countertop dishwasher are limited dish capacity, requires a stable water source.